Leg cramps are a common and painful problem for many seniors, often striking without warning and making simple movements like walking or standing difficult. While occasional cramps might seem harmless, frequent or severe cramps can signal underlying issues that need attention. One of the biggest hidden causes is actually a deficiency in certain essential vitamins and minerals. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing nutrients, and changes in diet or medication can further reduce vitamin levels. This lack can directly affect muscle function, causing the muscles to contract involuntarily or spasm. Research shows that vitamin D, magnesium, and potassium play critical roles in muscle health, nerve signaling, and fluid balance. Without enough of these nutrients, your muscles may cramp more often or feel weak, increasing the risk of falls and mobility problems. It's important to understand that cramps are not just random aches. They're often a warning sign that your body is missing something essential. Addressing these deficiencies can not only reduce cramps, but also restore strength and improve overall leg function. In the next segment, we'll explore why vitamins matter more than you might think, and how they impact your muscles and nerves in surprising ways.
Vitamins often get overlooked when we think about muscle health, but they are absolutely essential, especially as we age. Unlike protein or exercise, which get most of the attention, vitamins work quietly behind the scenes to support muscle function, nerve health, and fluid balance, key factors in preventing cramps and weakness. For example, vitamin D isn't just about bones. It regulates calcium absorption and influences muscle strength. Magnesium acts like a natural muscle relaxant, calming spasms and helping energy production inside muscle cells. Potassium helps maintain the electrical signals that tell your muscles when to contract and relax. When these vitamins are deficient, your muscles lose their rhythm and control, leading to painful cramps and reduced strength. Studies involving thousands of seniors have consistently linked low vitamin levels to increased cramping, falls, and decreased mobility.
The problem is many older adults don't realize they are deficient until symptoms appear. Factors like less sun exposure, medication side effects, and changes in digestion all contribute to these hidden shortages. The good news is that correcting these vitamin levels can have dramatic effects on your leg strength and overall comfort. In the following chapter, we'll dive deep into vitamin D and its powerful role in maintaining muscle health in seniors. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin because your skin produces it when exposed to sunlight. For seniors, getting enough vitamin D is crucial, not just for bone health, but also for muscle strength and function. Research shows that more than 40% of adults over 60 have insufficient vitamin D levels, which can lead to muscle weakness, increased risk of falls, and more frequent leg cramps. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, a mineral essential for muscle contraction and nerve signaling. Without enough vitamin D, calcium levels drop, muscles can't contract properly, and cramps become more likely. Several large studies have confirmed that supplementing with vitamin D can improve muscle strength and reduce falls in seniors. For example, a study from the University of Michigan followed 500 older adults over 6 months and found that those who took vitamin D supplements experienced a 20% reduction in muscle cramps and a significant improvement in leg strength. Vitamin D also supports your immune system and overall energy levels, which are important for staying active and independent. Since sun exposure can be limited due to mobility or weather, dietary sources like fortified dairy, fatty fish, and eggs or supplements are often necessary. Your healthcare provider can test your vitamin D levels and recommend the right dosage, typically between 800 to 2,000 IU daily for older adults. In the next chapter, we'll explore magnesium, a mineral that calms muscle spasms and plays a vital role in your leg health. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals for muscle health, especially when it comes to preventing those painful leg cramps many seniors experience. This mineral acts like a natural muscle relaxant, helping your muscles to contract and then relax smoothly. Unfortunately, studies show that about 50% of adults over 60 do not get enough magnesium in their diet. This deficiency can cause muscles to become overexcited, leading to spasms, cramps, and persistent soreness. Magnesium also plays a critical role in energy production inside your muscle cells, which means without enough magnesium, your muscles tire more easily and recover more slowly. Research published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that seniors who supplemented with magnesium experienced significant reductions in muscle cramps and improved mobility after just 8 weeks. Foods rich in magnesium include leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes. However, many seniors have trouble eating enough of these foods due to appetite changes or digestive issues. This is where magnesium supplements can be beneficial, but it's important to consult your healthcare provider to find the right dosage, typically ranging from 300 to 400 milligrams daily. Taking magnesium with vitamin D can enhance absorption and effectiveness. In the next chapter, we'll talk about potassium, another essential nutrient that works hand in hand with magnesium and vitamin D to keep your legs strong and cramp-free. Potassium is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function, especially for seniors struggling with leg cramps. It helps regulate the electrical signals between your nerves and muscles, allowing your muscles to contract and relax properly. When potassium levels drop too low, a condition called hypokalemia, it can lead to muscle weakness, twitching, and painful cramps. Many older adults are at risk of low potassium due to medications like diuretics, poor diet, or dehydration. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors with adequate potassium intake had significantly fewer muscle cramps and better overall muscle function. Potassium also helps balance fluid levels in your body, which supports healthy blood flow and reduces muscle fatigue. Good dietary sources include bananas, oranges, potatoes, spinach, and beans. However, if you have kidney problems, it's essential to talk with your doctor before increasing potassium intake because excess potassium can be harmful. Many seniors find that simply increasing potassium-rich foods in their diet leads to noticeable improvements in leg strength and a dramatic reduction in cramps. Combining potassium with magnesium and vitamin D creates a powerful trio that supports healthy muscles and nerves. In the next chapter, we'll explore exactly how these vitamins and minerals work together to restore leg strength and reduce cramps in seniors. Vitamin D, magnesium, and potassium each play vital roles in muscle health, but their true power comes when they work together as a team. Think of these nutrients as the key players in a finely tuned orchestra, each contributing to the smooth, coordinated function of your muscles and nerves. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, essential for muscle contraction, while magnesium acts as a natural relaxant, calming muscle spasms and supporting energy production. Potassium maintains the electrical balance necessary for muscles to contract and relax properly. When any of these are out of balance, your muscles may cramp, weaken, or tire easily. Scientific studies show that seniors with balanced levels of these nutrients experience stronger leg muscles, fewer cramps, and better mobility. For example, a 2022 study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who optimized their vitamin D, magnesium, and potassium intake improved muscle strength by over 15% within 3 months. Importantly, these nutrients support nerve health and reduce inflammation, factors that are crucial for maintaining independence and preventing falls. Ensuring you get all three regularly can dramatically improve leg function and quality of life. Next, we'll discuss how to recognize signs of deficiency so you can take action before cramps and weakness worsen. Recognizing the signs of vitamin and mineral deficiencies early can make a big difference in preventing leg cramps and restoring strength. Common symptoms include frequent muscle cramps or spasms, persistent fatigue, weakness, numbness, or tingling in the legs, and difficulty walking or climbing stairs. You might also notice restless legs at night or slower recovery after physical activity. These symptoms often get mistaken for normal aging, but they usually indicate your body needs more vitamin D, magnesium, or potassium. The first step is to talk with your healthcare provider, who can order simple blood tests to check your levels. Based on your results, they may recommend dietary changes, supplements, or both. For vitamin D, a blood level below 30 nanograms per milliliter is considered insufficient. Magnesium and potassium levels are also easily measured and monitored. Increasing foods rich in these nutrients is always the best start. Think leafy greens, nuts, fruits like bananas and oranges, and fortified dairy. Supplements can be very helpful, especially if you have absorption issues or limited sun exposure. It's important to follow dosing recommendations closely to avoid side effects. Taking a balanced approach to nutrition and supplementation can dramatically reduce cramps and rebuild your leg strength. In the next chapter, we'll explore dietary sources versus supplements and how to choose what's best for you.
When it comes to getting enough vitamin D, magnesium, and potassium, you might wonder if eating the right foods is enough or if supplements are necessary. Ideally, a balanced diet rich in these nutrients should be your first choice. Foods like fatty fish, fortified milk, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, bananas, and oranges provide natural sources that your body can absorb well. However, as we age, it becomes harder to get adequate amounts from diet alone due to decreased appetite, digestive changes, or limited sun exposure affecting vitamin D levels. This is where supplements come in. They offer a convenient and reliable way to ensure you're meeting your needs, especially for vitamin D, which is difficult to get enough of from food alone. Supplements also help if you have specific health conditions or medication interactions that reduce nutrient absorption. It's essential to choose high-quality products and follow recommended dosages. Some supplements combine these nutrients, making it easier to manage your intake. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting supplements, especially if you take other medications or have kidney issues. A combination of a nutrient-rich diet and targeted supplementation is often the most effective strategy for seniors to stop cramps and restore leg strength. In the next chapter, we'll discuss safe dosages and timing to maximize the benefits of these vitamins.
Taking vitamins and minerals at the right dosages and times is crucial to stop cramps and rebuild leg strength safely and effectively. For vitamin D, most seniors benefit from 800 to 2,000 IU daily, but your doctor can tailor the dose based on blood tests. It's best taken with a meal containing some fat to improve absorption. Magnesium supplements typically range from 300 to 400 milligrams per day. To avoid digestive upset, split your dose into 2 smaller amounts, taken morning and evening. Some forms like magnesium citrate or glycinate are easier on the stomach. Potassium supplementation should be approached cautiously because excessive intake can harm the heart, especially in people with kidney problems. Most adults can meet their potassium needs through diet, aiming for 3,500 to 4,700 milligrams daily from food sources like fruits and vegetables. Supplements are generally reserved for diagnosed deficiencies under medical supervision. Timing your intake can enhance benefits.
For example, magnesium taken before bed helps relax muscles and improve sleep quality, which aids muscle recovery. Vitamin D absorption is boosted when paired with calcium-rich foods. Consistency is key. Taking these nutrients daily as part of your routine builds steady levels that reduce cramps and improve strength over time. Always follow your healthcare provider's guidance to avoid interactions or side effects. Next, we'll cover simple lifestyle changes that boost vitamin absorption and support muscle health naturally.
Besides taking vitamins and minerals, there are simple lifestyle habits that can help your body absorb them better and keep your leg muscles strong. First, regular gentle exercise increases blood flow and stimulates muscle activity, which improves how your body uses nutrients like vitamin D, magnesium, and potassium. Walking, stretching, or light resistance exercises can all help. Next, maintaining a healthy weight supports proper nutrient metabolism and reduces inflammation that can impair muscle function. Staying hydrated is also critical. Water helps transport vitamins and minerals to your muscles and flushes out toxins that could interfere with absorption. Avoid excessive alcohol and smoking, which damage the gut lining and reduce nutrient uptake. Sun exposure, when possible, boosts your natural vitamin D production, but always balance it with skin safety. Eating a diet rich in fiber supports gut health, promoting beneficial bacteria that assist with vitamin synthesis and absorption. Lastly, reducing stress through meditation or relaxation techniques lowers inflammation and hormonal imbalances that can negatively impact muscle strength. Small changes in your daily routine can amplify the benefits of vitamin supplementation and diet, helping you prevent cramps and regain leg strength. Together, these habits create a supportive environment for your muscles to thrive well into your senior years.